Hey guys, Jonathan with Iron Forge Consulting Group. I wanted to talk a little bit about the difference between somebody who is a bystander during an emergency versus an immediate responder during an emergency. So what is a bystander? A bystander is somebody who, as the name implies, stands by, observes the emergency taking place. That could be anything. It could be a car crash, that could be a self-defense situation, that could be anything that would be deemed an emergency. But this person, they literally stand by as the event is taking place, and they don't provide any sort of assistance. They just are onlookers, right? A lot of times these days, this is what this is going to look like. It's somebody just, I'm filming with my cell phone. That's what that's going to look like. Versus the immediate responder. The immediate responder is somebody who gets involved. They may initiate the 911 system to get medical or law enforcement involved. They may step in and provide first aid, whether that be CPR during cardiac arrest or stop and bleed training for a traumatic injury. That may mean that they get involved with a self-defense situation, right? It might be their situation, might not be their situation. There's caveats to both, right? But the immediate responder gets involved in whatever is going on around them, whatever emergency is going on. The difference being is the mindset of the immediate responder, right? They have a willingness to get involved, and they also have the training, right? An immediate responder without training is a liability. So I'm going to encourage everybody out there, if you want to be an immediate responder, go get some training. Doesn't have to be with us. There are plenty of competent instructors out there, but seek out some training. Be willing to use your training and be an immediate responder. Don't be a bystander. Again, I'm Jonathan with Iron Forge Consulting Group, and remember, be harder to kill, train more.